Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. This is not for baking. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. We are wild carding this one today. I have an idea. I want to make an ornament, maybe just some decor for your Christmas buffet, whatever. I'm going to make ornament cupcakes. I know. Even I went, this may go south real fast. But I went to Dollar Tree and they had, let's see, where are they? Where are they? I'm in the craft section here. They had Christmas cupcake liners. So I got two different kinds. No, these were from Michael's. These were from Dollar Tree. So these are the Dollar Tree ones. These are the Michael's ones. Michael's. I can talk. I swear I can. So we're going to use these cupcake liners. And then I went to Dollar Tree and picked up, this was last year. Y'all were with me. These sleeves of ornaments, right? This is our cupcake. This is our liner. We're going to use these, and then a piping tip's going to come into play, and we're going to make a cupcake. This is going to go so wrong. I can already feel this going wrong. I do have some rose gold ornaments too. Let me find all of the Dollar Tree ornaments that I bought. They come in sleeves like this. Is this their premium ornaments? I don't think so. I don't think these were in the $3 to $5 range. I think these were $1.25. And they had rose gold. They had silver. I think they had red. I think they have red this year. It's getting picked over fast at Dollar Tree though. So if you're thinking of Christmas crafting, it's time for you to get over there because I was there yesterday. Y'all. Those women went crazy. They've gone crazy. They've cleaned the shelves at Dollar Tree. Any kind of baking pieces, they were really picked over. It was really hard to find pieces. So you may have to go to Michael's. I know, I like going to Dollar Tree too because it's cheaper, but sometimes you gotta, sacrifice if you can't get there early enough to get the Christmas. I mean, you have to get the Christmas stuff right after Halloween. Like right after Halloween. Anyway, let me get everything out, get organized. I'll get you guys turned so that you can see what I'm working on, and then we'll go from there. I'm trying to remember where we got this idea, and I think Victoria and I were watching a YouTube creator called Mariah Elizabeth, who is a crafter, and we love her. We just love Mariah, and I think this was one of her projects. I don't think she specifically did a Christmas ornament, but I don't remember. That's how long ago we saw this, and now I'm like, I'm doing it. Years and years later, I'm like, I'm gonna do it. So this is not an original idea by me by any means. I'm going to start with the Michael's ones because if you can see that, they're kind of coated inside with like a little plastic coating, which I think might make it easier for me to glue stuff down. But that is what's going to go in there. And the silver one looks super cute. And you can see it's got a little bump on it. These are not the best ornaments. It's okay. You're not going to see that, so don't freak out about that. Let's just get this glued down. What I want to do is I want to make sure that I still have access to this hanging portion. So I could do it straight up and down, but we have another part to this that will obscure that part. So I want to do this at an angle slightly. So I'm going to lay that down on its side like that. I'm going to get some glue on it here. And I'm just going to use hot glue. We love hot glue. Totally love hot glue. and actually get up there. Want it up a little higher. Oh, that is hot glue. I am going to go ahead and tack down the sides of this cupcake tin, cupcake liner here to the sides. I think it was Mariah. She does a lot with dessert art, so I'm guessing this was one of hers. It would make sense to me that this would be a Mariah project. So if you ever want to see just some fun crafts, she does a lot with squishies, which during the pandemic, Victoria and I just sort of binge watched all her stuff when we were stuck at home and unable to do anything. And that's probably when she did this project, was during pandemic lockdown, and I went, I want to do that. Come on, glue. My glue is not drying. All right, I'm going to pause you guys while I get I'm going to glue the liner around because I hate editing. All right, so now the liner is on there. It's not pulling away. Well, maybe a little bit there, but it's fine. So like the ornament, when it hangs, will hang like this, sideways. You see it? It's not done yet. We have to do a little embellishment to make it look like a proper cupcake. And I'm terrified about this next part because it involves caulk and a piping tip. And I just got slivers. Oh, no. I got to go deal with a sliver and a piping bag. So let me go deal with my sliver and I'll be right back. All right, I survived the sliver. Let me get this piping tip off here. I need a piping bag. These are disposable piping bags that I picked up. Again, I think this was Michael's haul. Because we're not going to be able to reuse it. We got the disposable ones. So I have done some cake decorating. I'm not great at it. I can do some basic things. And when I mean basic, I mean basic. No, it's a basic. This piping tip will never be used again. My guess is this is going to make a huge mess. All right. So this is white. White. Do not get the clear and do not try and get a latex. You want this to look white and fluffy. You know what I'm saying? So don't get like 100% silicone. So this is silicone though. Siliconized acrylic latex. So there's the latex right there. And I'm going to get some of this in here. Yeah, I got frustrated and cut the end off. All right. It's all over my hands. We are going to use this just like a piping tip. I'm going to start it. Oh, see? You see what I'm seeing? See? Yeah, that's what's going to happen. Now we are going to pipe our frosting. We're going to cover up that little L there. This actually pipes really nice. And then, because, you know, extra, I got these little vase fillers. And doesn't this just look like the cherry on top? I love it! Oh my God, I'm so excited. I absolutely love this. I'm going to find a place for this to dry. We're going to do another one. We're going to do another one. We're going to use up this. We're going to use it all up. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. Let's do more. Let's do more. All right, we got the Dollar Tree paper cup. They're a little thinner, a little see-through, and I'm going to use the gold this time. I got some on this tree, and look, it looks like snow. So those of you that want to put snow on the branches, I just use my finger and I spread it out. So, hey, we're going to be in the hardware department more. Uh-huh. This is not hardware approved craft, but you know. I'm going to get a, do I want a cherry on top of this one or a gold one? Hang on, there's gold too. So I've got gold and cherries here. I think we'll do gold on this one, so that it's ready. I love this. And I'm going to put it off to the other side because it's going to hang sideways. Oh, I love this. Oh, oh, they're so cute. That was a great idea. She had a fantastic idea. These are fun. I'm going to make a few more. All right. You don't need to watch the same process over and over. Okay, on this last one, because I'm running out of whipped topping, I put this one straight up and down, and then I put the string through it, and I'm going to actually put this all around here. See how that goes. It's not as cute, but I thought we'd try it. So I think we'll have to give it a little crown here. All right, they are done. Let them dry. It's going to probably take a couple days to dry, but this does actually like use up the entire tube. So I had cut the end to get it to fill the bag. I'm going to see if I can clean this piping tip out because I may want to do this again. I like this. This is fun. Okay, guys, just from that small tube that I bought, I got 7 cupcakes. So if you bought the caulk at Dollar Tree for $1.25, the cupcake liners for $1.25, and the ornaments for $1.25. And if you want to be extra and get the little cherry bowl fillers, it's another $1.25. So $4, $5 total for $1.25. We'll make these super cute little cupcake ornaments. You guys, so cute. I like the silver better. And I did actually like the Michael's cupcake liners better because you could, here, I'll just show you the difference. So this is the Dollar Tree cupcake liners. They're cute. They are cute. But there's a brighter color on the Michael's cupcake. That's the only reason I like it. It's just a brighter color. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this. And I'm not as fond of gold. I like the silver very much for Christmas ornaments, but now these are going to take a really long time to dry. So it's probably going to be like an overnight drying process, but how cute are these dark little cupcakes? Thank you, Mariah Elizabeth, for the idea. Victoria's going to want one of these, and then we're definitely going to put a price tag on them. As far as what I would charge for them, I'm guessing like $6 a piece, which is a really good profit margin considering how little I spent on everything to do this. So I did go to Menards. How much was it? Do I have the receipt? I have the receipt somewhere. Where's my receipt from Menards? Where's my Menards? Maybe I don't have my receipt from Menards. I think I put it in the other room. Anyway, I think it was like $2-3. It wasn't much because I didn't want to get the big tube, but you could get the big tube. Like if you wanted to do this en masse, you get a couple sleeves and like make a bunch to resell. Absolutely. It's a great project. This is a great project for resellers. It does not take any effort or a whole lot of time. I ran out of caulk at the end, and then I just took a stick and just made it less pretty, but it's still a dollop of whipped cream on there. So you don't even have to have a piping bag. You could just take a stick, like a popsicle stick, and scoop. You could use the piping, not the piping tip, but the caulk gun. You could use like a caulk gun, or just use that tube and put it on there and then just smear it around like this one. It doesn't have to be fancy schmancy. I like the fancy, but I like this as well. So it's easy. It's an easy project. It smells like latex paint. And then you've got your glue. There's not really a whole lot that you need to do. I would say because that piping tip, you can't clean it. You can't clean it. Like they make special cleaner to get that silicone latex out off of things. I don't want to spend the money on it. So that piping tip is gone. It's just, I can't use it anymore. So I would suggest buying piping tips when you're at the thrift store. I see them all the time, little piping kit sets, and get them there. Get them there. If you know how to do cake decorating and piping and stuff like that, you could do a lot of little fun stuff on there. You know, you could make stars or whatever. I just did this pretty basic thing, but they're so freaking cute. They're super cute. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.